Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, welcome. So guys, it is another delicious cook and eat with me. Today we are going to be making chicken feet. Yes, 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 yes. I'm in the mood for some good old chicken feet, so we're going to making that for today. My chicken feet are clean, so I am going to add some seasoning and let's just dive right into it. All right, I'm going to add onions. This is half of onions, 2 Maggi, 1 curry, nutmeg, mixed seasonings, and thyme, and salt. So now I'm going to cover and let that cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay? So guys, while the chicken feet is cooking, I am going to dice my onions and ginger and garlic. So I have 2 onions and I have ginger and garlic. And that's the amount I have, okay? So I'm going to dice it. After dicing it, I'm going to blend 2 of this tomato. So I'm going to dice the onions, ginger and garlic, and then I'm going to blend the tomato. So guys, now I am going to add some oil in the pan. I'm going to allow that to heat up. So guys, after allowing that to heat up, I'm going to add my diced onions, ginger and garlic. Now I'm gonna allow this to simmer for a few seconds. So guys, now I'm going to add my blended tomato in there. I'm just gonna cover that and allow that to cook and fry and dry up the water inside the tomato. So guys, over here it is time to take out my chicken feet off from the pot. So I'm going to take it out from the stove. So guys, now I'm going to fry my chicken feet. So guys, our tomato is cooked very well and fried very well. It is ready. So I am going to add seasoning in the tomato. I'm going to add 1 scoop of nutmeg, 1 scoop of mixed seasonings, 1 scoop of thyme, 1 scoop of curry, salt, 2 Maggi, dry chili. I'm going to mix everything together. Now I'm going to let that simmer for 5 minutes. So guys, I'm going to add my chicken back, my chicken feet. I'm going to add the water that came out from the chicken feet. Rinse the plate out with more water. Add in there. I'm going to mix everything together. Now I'm just going to allow that to simmer for 5 minutes. So So guys, it is time to take this off from the stove. It is ready. So guys, we are ready. Everything looks so delish and so yummy. Like, look at this plate. It is absolutely divine. So yeah, let's pray so we can dive in. Amen, guys. It is time to do what we know how to do best. You know why we're here. Let's demolish like kings and queens. Now I have my spoon. Yum. Now I'm having this with basmati rice. Oh, the sauce is divine. Now we're gonna do the leg with our hands. Oh. Oh my days. Who guys? The sauce is juicy. It is succulent. It is super delish. I'm not kidding. This sauce is everything. Excuse me. Ooh. And chicken feet, the bomb. The bomb. It was absolutely super tasty and super yummy. I totally enjoyed this mukbang. It was so delicious. I won't lie, it was super yummy. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. My belly is so full. This is where I'm going to stop today's eating. Thank you, and I'll see you all on my next one. Thank you. Bye.